Hi, this is Ben with WTI. I want to share my thoughts on the Wundermax door stoppers because I live in a house where, let's say, it's not always on the level, and some of my doors like to just close on their own. So we need a door stop. Now these are kind of a rubber silicone type of feel to them. If you know exactly where you want to keep them, they come with little tape tabs. You just slide it in there. And if you have a really big gap, you can even put two of them together. There's a little plastic clip, and then you got something that can handle a larger gap. So this is a pack of 3 in white. That's about corresponding with the number of willful doors I have in my house. And so far, they've done a great job, and they look nice. And again, really convenient depending on where we need them. And you can even kind of stick them on the refrigerator if you need to, just kind of keep them in waiting. So if you're looking for a door stopper, the Wundermax door stoppers, 3 packs is a great deal for the price, and that's my point of view.